Cows are large, domesticated mammals characterized by their gentle nature. Cows typically have 4 legs, a pair of horns, and a long tail. Young cows are called calves. Cows are herbivores, primarily consuming grass and vegetation, which they digest through a specialized digestive system. Cows are a valuable resource in agriculture, primarily for milk production. Milk is a nutritious food source consumed worldwide. Cow dung is used as a natural fertilizer, enriching soil for crop cultivation. In some cultures, cows are revered and hold a sacred status. This reverence stems from their essential role in providing sustenance and contributing to agricultural practices. The cultural significance of cows varies across different societies, reflecting diverse values and traditions.